how to stop YouTube from sending emails. If we are getting a lot of emails from YouTube, this can be really annoying. Today I'm going to show you how to stop YouTube from sending emails, so let's start. First of all, we need to go to youtube.com and then log into our account. Once we do this, we click in the right top corner on our avatar photograph. After that, we choose Settings from the menu. After we get to Settings, from the menu on the left side, we need to choose Notifications. After we open Notifications, we need to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and over here we've got Email Notifications over here. So all the settings down here are about email notifications and YouTube sending email to us. So to turn it off, we can simply click on this icon over here. It will turn off all the emails that YouTube is sending to us. However, maybe we want to keep some of the emails. Let's say we want to keep updates about our YouTube channel. So in that case, we can personalize what kind of emails we would like to receive. So let's say we don't want to receive emails about subscriptions, which means about channels that we are subscribed to. Let's say we don't want to receive emails about general product updates, but we want to receive emails about our own YouTube channel. We would leave this option turned on. Down here we can change the language in which emails are being sent to us. So by default it's English for me, as you can see, but we can change it to Spanish, Filipino, French, or any other language we want. I don't want to receive any emails from YouTube, so I'm gonna choose this option, turn off the permission to send emails. And from that moment we should not get any emails from YouTube. That's it for today. Remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.